Part 3 of the story of cricket. Television coverage changed cricket. It expanded the audience for the game by beaming cricket into small towns and villages. It also broadened cricket's social base. Children who had never previously had the chance to watch international cricket because they lived outside the big cities could now watch and learn by imitating their heroes. That is, cricket is played somewhere in Delhi or in Australia or in large cricket grounds. But majority of the people will not get an opportunity to view the cricket play. So, television coverage changed cricket. It has brought a large number of viewers so that the people or children in small towns or small villages could even be able to watch cricket and worship their heroes. The technology of satellite television and the worldwide reach of multinational television companies created a global market for cricket. So, cricket is a worldwide profession nowadays. It has a large number of lakhs and millions of viewers are there, so that the cricket players will be rewarded remuneration, a large amount of remuneration. As a result, now cricket is a global market. Matches in Sydney could now be watched live in Surat. Where is Sydney? Sydney is in Australia. And where is Surat? Surat is in Gujarat. So a person who is sitting in Surat can view a cricket match which is playing in Australia. So in the case, if people who are in Kerala could view a match which takes place either in Australia, in England, or where in worldwide, we will be able to see only because of the technology of satellite television. Since India had the largest viewership for the game amongst the cricket playing nations and the largest market in the cricketing world, the game's center of gravity shifted to South Asia. That's, India is a densely populated country, so that a largest number of viewers are there in India. So this increased the marketing capability of the cricket. So what did they do? They shifted the game's center of gravity to South Asia. What then happened? This shift was symbolized by the shifting of the ICC headquarters from London to Casfree, Dubai. So that after shifting of the center of gravity of cricket into South Asia, ICC planned to shift the headquarters from London to Dubai. 150 years ago, the first Indian cricketers, the Parsis, had to struggle to find an open space to play in. Today, the global marketplace has made Indian players the best played, best paid, most famous cricketers in the game, men for whom the world is a stage. So, at the beginning of the cricket playing, the Indians did not even get a playground to play cricket. That's what happened between the Parsis and the Gymkhana, Bombay Gymkhana, So the Parsis were not allowed to play in the Gymkhana of the white people. So they have made a special Gymkhana. Gymkhana means it's a playground. So they made their own playground and they started to play. But nowadays what happened? Nowadays the Indian cricketers are the best paid cricketers all over the world. This transformation was made up of many smaller changes. The replacement of the gentlemanly amateur by the paid professional. The triumph of the one-day game as it overshadowed Test cricket in terms of popularity, and the remarkable changes in global commerce and technology. That means the cricket has transformed. In earlier times, the players were playing cricket only for non-professional cricketers. So it is called amateur cricket. That means it was not paid. The cricket players were not paid. But nowadays, the amateur cricket changes into professional cricket. The cricketers are highly paid. And the test cricket matches to one day internationals, which has more of viewers. So it overshadowed test cricket in terms of popularity, which overshadowed, that is the one day internationals overshadowed test cricket in terms of popularity. And the remarkable changes in global commerce and technology. Global commerce, that means cricket has bring forth a lot of job opportunities and payments to a lot of people around the world. So it is a global business. And also technology. Technologically also the people will be getting enough money. So cricket it has flourished from the 15th century to the current stage, and it has a very outstanding growth. I hope you understood about this chapter. Children, read this lesson very well and try to find answers for the exercises given at the end of the lesson, and we will be discussing that exercise through the Zoom class. Thank you.